Welcome. In this video I will show you how to unblur action photos on your OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro smartphones. So sometimes the photos we take come out a little bit blurry, and we of course want to remove this blur somehow, which usually takes a lot of time in different editing programs. But thankfully the OPPO prepared an AI feature that will do everything for us. So all you have to do to unblur your photo is select a photo in your gallery, then tap the pencil icon right here, then select AI editor, and in AI editor select AI Unblur feature and let the AI do the rest. It's gonna take a little while. And now let's look at the results. Well, we can see some we can surely see some progress here. Let's compare to the original one. Well, you can clearly see that this object here is unblurred. It's not a perfect result, but still you can see some that AI actually managed to make this photo look much better. Even the farther away objects look more clear than on the original one. Tap done, then confirm, then save your photo either as a copy or replace the original one. And so that's how you use the unblurring feature on your OPPO smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.